Hey, hello guys again. What's up? Today I will show you and I will unbox for the first time my electric impact wrench or cordless impact wrench I have ordered from Kina. Today I have received it. I have paid about 80 euros for this. They said that have a good power, more power than the what is here on the mark. So let me see what we have here. So it have a nice box. This, so let me see what I have received for about 80 euros. This is a cord, I think. So we have here the charger. So you can see a charger. We actually have and the EU plug. Okay, then I can charge my battery. This is for about 1 ampere maximum. So here we have the impact wrench. It is pretty heavier. It's nice to keep in the hand. So here we have a cord, so he cannot fall from your hands. Here we have the left rotor or the right rotor. We have here in the light, so you can see. Of the left side. Now let me see how we can the battery. Okay, we have unmounted the battery. The battery said that have 98 volt and 12,000 milliampere. Yes, we will see how powerful will be this. I don't know, we don't have a we don't have a check light or so, something like this for the battery, how much have still in the battery. So it's blocked. We can have only light. You can see. Okay, so the battery actually with this charger we have here the connector for charging. I have a EU plug, so because I'm from EU, so I can charge this. Now let me see what for accessories I have for this. Let me see. So now we have a 17mm socket, actually black, for impact range. So it's function. So we have 17mm socket, 18, we have still 19, 14, 22, then 21. These are all the accessories. 22 again, but short. We have one more 20. No, they are the same. I don't know why we have two same. And now we have accessories, so you can use this piece and for normal screwdriver, I think. Yes, this is an adapter. I have put it in, and we have some screwdrivers here. I think we can just no. Yes, we can use them. So a few accessories like a screwdriver, they are the same. Two things, they are all the same. I actually see. Look. Okay, and here we have what we have more here. Let me see. So, okay. We'll put this out. So for these things, I think we have a block piece or something like this. I don't know exactly how this name in English. Okay, now we have this thing, and we can use this like a normal cordless wrench, but I think that will be, yes, will be only for clockwise rotation, or maybe I have something that I can block this if I want to unscrew something. I don't know exactly, but let me see. So we can, or we can make so. Now we will make so. Okay, I don't know if you have a block or something here if we can block this, but I think we can use only for clockwise rotation. I think I'm not sure. I will try to keep this so, and if I want to unscrew it will not work, but let me see. So thank you guys, you have saw my 80 euros impact range. It can be used handles as a normal range. I find pretty good for the price. Now we will see what the power have this. In the next video I will let you know, and I'll show you how much power did this have and what can do, and maybe how long the battery will be good on. We have here, yes, we have here a battery indicator, so it looks like this full, or it's only, I don't know. So okay guys, thanks for watching. In the next video I will show you what can this do and how powerful is this. So until next time, bye.